In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make a puff omelette and a plain omelette. So guys, for my omelette, my filling here, I have bologna, onion, and this is basil. I don't have parsley, so I'm going to use basil. I have my butter here, my oil, and 4 eggs, and my cheese over there. Okay guys, so the first omelette I'm gonna make is the puff omelette. I'm gonna be separating the yolk from the white because I'm gonna be making the puff omelette first. Okay guys, the puff omelette, I'm gonna separate the egg yolk from the white. So I'm gonna be using the egg white for the puff omelette. And then I'm just gonna be whisking, adding my salt and black pepper. So guys, to separate the yolk from the white, I had to make a hole in the middle of this and then try to get the white out without getting the yolk into it, and there it is. And the same for this one. I put a hole on this end, the rounder end, and then use the fork to pull it out a bit. Make the hole a bit bigger and get the white out. I'm gonna beat it and I'm gonna add salt and black pepper. Hopefully 2 eggs is enough guys, because these eggs are small egg. You need large eggs. I might have to put 1 more or 2 more eggs, but I'll let you know how much eggs are here. So guys, I'm just gonna be adding like a dash of salt and 1 dash of black pepper. Or a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. And I'm just gonna beat this, whisk it until it becomes frothy. And in the meantime, while I'm whisking guys, I'm going to be turning on the flame on this, and I'm gonna add a little drop of oil, not too much, just a little bit because I want to put mostly butter, and get it all around. And then I'm gonna be putting like a teaspoon of butter. Let me see if I can get a teaspoon off this because my butter is not melted guys. And then I'm just gonna get it to melt in the meantime. As soon as the pot is hot enough, then I'll pour this in. So you want to get it as fluffy as possible, the egg white. We want to get it all over. I'm going to turn up the flame some more guys, and then I'm just going to pull here, pull until it starts setting. The minute it starts setting, then I stop doing this. Okay, the minute it starts forming, I stop doing this. And the minute that sets, then I fold it over in the shape of an omelette. These eggs are very small, so I had to use 3 eggs because they're very small eggs. And then I'm just gonna go around here. Let me put my hand where I won't block the view. Go around it, make sure it's not stuck to the pot. Sprinkle not a lot of cheese guys on one side. Like, the choice is yours how much cheese you'd want. If you want to sprinkle a tablespoon of cheese, I'll put just a little bit more. Sprinkle just a little bit of onion. Yeah, so you just fold over like that. Okay, and there is the puffed omelette. I'll just turn it out on this plate. You don't want to break it, right? So let me just turn it over out onto this plate. Okay guys, and then now I'm going to make the plain omelette. Okay, so first I like to cook my filling a bit, so I'm just gonna saute this just a bit. It's already oily, the pan, so turn up the flame and saute a bit. Just a little a dash of black pepper. So guys, that's fully sauteed. So for the plain omelette, I'm going to be beating 2 eggs for the plain omelette. The puff omelette is just the egg white. So I'm just gonna be beating this, just that it's not separated, with a dash of salt and just a little bit of black pepper. Okay. I'm just gonna put butter. I'm not gonna put any more oil into the pan. And I did put a teaspoon of butter. The more you beat this, the better it is. The fluffier you, the more you beat it, the fluffier it becomes, and the better your omelette looks. For this one, guys, I think I'm gonna drop like just a little bit of water, because I want my omelette to be on the lighter side. A 1/4 teaspoon of water to make it light. So guys, you don't want your pot to be too hot, right? Or too cold. Now I'm gonna pour it in. Put my hand, because I find sometimes, guys, when I'm demonstrating to you guys, my hand is in the way. The plain omelette is only 2 eggs, and then the puff omelette was 3 eggs, because remember that was just the egg white we used, so I had to use 3 eggs for the puff omelette. My puff omelette sitting over there, looking good. So guys, like my iPad, it's giving me a bit of problem when it's time to upload, guys. The last video, the cake video, guys, I had my video went up late because it would not upload. It would not upload the night, so I had to go to bed, and in the morning when I woke up, it was like after 7, and I tried again, and luckily it went through. I was so disappointed after I made my Christmas cake. Like, I mean, the video, the iPad is telling me about I'm out of storage when I deleted so many things. So I think I'm gonna have to either start to record on my, so you're gonna be, yeah, for the egg, you're gonna be twisting and turning here. You just want the inside to cook, but you don't want the outside to burn, right? Yeah guys, so the iPad is, I'm facing a bit of a problem, but so you know what that means. I have to start using my camera. But the camera, you will have to take the, I will have to take the SD card out of the camera and put it into the computer in order to edit. Like with the iPad, it's much faster, but you know, the camera, I will get better quality filming, so I have to either way start learning to use the camera. And then as soon as inside is cooked some more, then I'll put my filling on, which is the bologna. You put whatever you want. The bologna with a little piece of Scotch bonnet pepper, onion, and basil. I think parsley would be better, but I don't have parsley, okay? And I don't mind the basil. Yeah, guys, so my hands are in the way. Let me get my hands out of the way. And yeah, you go around it there. You make sure it's not sticking, okay? It's not sticking. And inside, I want the inside to cook some more. And then I'm going to put the filling on the inside and fold. As well as I could turn up the flame and just pull it away from the, so it doesn't burn, right? Pull it away so it takes on the heat. See, it's setting a bit. It's cooking. I'm gonna turn it down a bit so I can put the pot back on the stove. And then at this point, guys, I'm going to put some cheese, sprinkled cheese, which is very important. Mostly on one side. Okay, guys, cheese melted into this. It's delicious. And then I'm gonna put the filling on, okay, which is my bologna and onion and the basil and Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm getting my omelette a bit of a spice here on the spicy side, just a bit. Okay, now I'm gonna fold it. So then, see, it's cooked, not dry, guys. And then I'm just gonna fold it over because I don't want it to break. Okay, hold on, let me open it some more. I have to get there halfway, but I'm gonna leave it in the pot a bit, guys, so to get it to cook on the inside, and then I'm gonna serve. So there you go, guys. I have the puffed omelette with just the egg white, and this is a plain omelette, and I topped it with a piece of Scotch bonnet pepper. So it's my spicy omelette. Please give the video a thumbs up, okay? Like the video, guys, by giving it a thumbs up, and comment down below. So guys, let me get you to get a closer look at the omelette, and that's the Scotch bonnet pepper on top. See, this is the puff omelette, and that's the plain omelette. The plain omelette is with the egg yolk, and the puffed omelette is with just the egg white, and that's my Scotch bonnet pepper on top. And on the inside, it's just cheese. Only cheese is on the inside, guys. I folded it over because that's what an omelette is. You have to fold it. And then my filling here, sorry, I hope you guys can see the glare on the light. Okay, let me get it here. Yeah, the filling on the inside, it's only cheese because it's the egg white and it's puff omelette. I thought it would look more presentable with just the cheese filling. And then the plain omelette with the egg yolk on the filling on the inside. As I showed you, I have my bologna, and you see the stick in there is the basil, and I also have it filled with onion and cheese. Okay, guys, onion and cheese, yeah. And yeah, so let me taste it for you to see. First, I'm gonna taste the puff omelette. You guys, that's a puff omelette with the cheese filling on the inside, the pizza mozzarella cheese. It's delicious. It's good. But guys, I think I should try the Scotch bonnet pepper. I won't be too much of a chicken. And this is the plain omelette. It is so delicious, guys. I want you to try this. It's really delicious. This is a plain omelette. So good with the cheese. Guys, try it. Please do. And I'm gonna try the Scotch bonnet pepper in front of you guys. It's my spicy omelette. Spicy omelette. It's good, guys. Actually, it's good. It's not bad with the pepper, with the Scotch bonnet pepper. You see the filling, guys? With the cheese. Oh my god, this is so delicious. You just have to be careful not to break your omelette when folding it. Try it. It's good. Delicious. It's like pizza, honestly. Thanks for joining me in another video, and see you in the next one.